What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in to another Tech Tuesday video. It has been a long time since my last video. Yes, I know it's probably been over a month, maybe two. Well, since my last Tech Tuesday video anyway. But new tech products are coming out and I am back to review them. So what have we got today? You know what we've got today because it was in the title of this video. The Apple AirTags. Wow, am I excited because the AirTags I have been waiting for so long, and I'm finally here. I'm finally here and I have finally got one at last. I have my Apple AirTag. I just had to try it out myself, and let's face it, I've been waiting like 2-3 years since they first announced the rumors of this product. So yeah, it was just a no-brainer. I had to get it on release day. Let's look at what it does, look at all the features, and well, if you want to see how it works, I'm going to do that later on in one of my vlogs. So don't forget to go check out the channel, subscribe, like this video, comment down below, go check out the vlogs. Playlist will be linked at the end of this video and I'll leave a card up here too. Okay, first of all, let me just say I got a custom AirTag. You know, everyone's, you know, you want an engraving on it. Apple offers a free engraving service. I would have preferred really to just have the Apple logo on it because that's just me. You know, I prefer Apple. So first of all, let me just put this out there. I got an engraving done. It was a free service that Apple offers, a free engraving service. I got an emoji put on mine. Could not figure out what text I wanted. I think it's like 3 characters you can fit on there, or you know, 3 emojis. So I got the standard skull emoji. There's only a handful of emojis that you can put on there in the engraving service as of right now, but I'm pretty sure Apple will be expanding on that soon, so you might want to keep an eye out on the Apple website. The Apple AirTag. What can this tiny little 29-pound little button device do? It is actually pretty fantastic. You guys have no doubt heard of Bluetooth trackers. Most notably, it will be the Tile trackers. Now Apple are in the game, and you guys know Apple like to be very late to the game when they're doing these things. Speaking of which, Samsung smart tags, they're already out. They did it before Apple. Alongside the AirTag, I decided to get the Belkin secure holder with keyring. So let's take a look at the AirTag. Now, I asked you guys some questions on one of my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, my links are all down below. You can check out my link tree, you'll find my Instagram in there. Okay, so the first question I had was, how big is the AirTag? So, approximate dimensions, let's take a look at it. In diameter, the AirTag is about 3 centimeters wide, and just having a quick look at the approximate depth of the actual AirTag, I'm looking at it about 5 millimeters. Now, the other question I got was, how different is it from other brands? So this person's obviously aware there are things like Bluetooth trackers available. How different is the AirTag going to be compared to all the other ones on the market? So as it's an Apple AirTag, we're going to quickly take a look at the differences between the AirTag and the Tile Pro tracker. The AirTag battery life has 1 year plus. The Tile Tracker Pro has 1 year battery life. What's the discovery like for both of these items? So the AirTag, if you don't already know, Apple have introduced a new items menu in the Find My app, and you can find your AirTags wherever they are with precise tracking through the U1 chip, which is inside the AirTag. And you can also enable things like the lost mode, and you can also ping the device so you can actually hear an audible sound. So if you can't see it, you'll still be able to hear it. It is pretty fantastic, and I'm going to cover that in a vlog later on, so you guys want to tune in for that too. The Tile tracker, however, it needs to be done specifically through the Tile app, and it relies on the Tile community to update its location. So considering how many Apple devices there are out there compared to Tile trackers or Tile users, you're going to get a lot more precise updates on the AirTag compared to the Tile. Yeah, so I'm sorry to say, if you're a Tile user or you really love the Tile products, Apple is really about to kick Tiles. They can also be used with NFC, and the Tile Pro tracker is limited to Bluetooth LE. Both devices have built-in speakers and they're able to ping off sound emissions, so when you're trying to find the device you will be able to hear it audibly as well. So I think one of the main features of the AirTag is basically going to be the precise tracking with the U1 chip embedded in the devices. So if you ever lose your AirTag, you are sure bet you're gonna find it. And that's something I'm really willing to put my £29 on my AirTag out there, and I'm really gonna properly try finding this. So I've seen other people, they're doing this, they're just hiding in the house or whatever. I'm gonna go one extra step and we're gonna find the AirTag. But like I said, stay tuned for the vlog. Now, I really hoped that I would get more questions that I could answer for you guys. I didn't get that many, but if you guys have any more, leave them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to check them out. I always respond to all my comments. I love hearing from you guys. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. There are more coming, as I've got lots of new tech products and goodies that I want to talk to you guys about. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment down below. So yeah, stay tuned for that vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace. Take care. See you in the next one.